Welcome to the Test Bakery, part of the Prepared Consumer Food Centre at Ashtown. Here we have a number of pieces of bakery equipment to produce a range of bakery products, from breads to cookies to pastries and pizza bases. We also have a cereal testing lab where we take the products that we make here in the bakery and test for properties such as texture, staling, structure, water activity and composition. And we use the sensory suite for assessing consumer acceptability of the products. We have a number of different types of mixers and ovens, a proofing cabinet, dough sheeter and dough moulder here in the bakery. The main areas that we work in here at Ashtown are flour chemistry and rheology, gluten-free science, and healthy and novel formulations. And our main areas of expertise are in grain milling and flour characterization, profiling of dough and baking properties, and product imaging and structure, and also sensory science and flavour chemistry. Starting with the grain, we have many types of mills here at Ashtown, and we have experience of milling and baking with a range of wheat and gluten-free grains. Here are some of the examples of different types of grains that we have worked with when developing new products. Once we mill these types of grains, we are then able to do many different types of tests on the resulting flours to see if they're suitable for baking. Tests such as protein quality, starch properties, enzyme activity, and dietary fibre are carried out. We can also test the doughs that these flours produce. These tests include mixing properties, elasting properties, rheology and proofing capabilities. As well as working with different types of grains, we have also studied the use of novel ingredients in formulations such as reduced sugar cakes and biscuits and low-fat cookies. Once we bake the products, we then move on to assessing their baking properties using a range of modern testing equipment. This is a low volume meter, which measures the specific volume and density of baking products. This instrument measures the specific volume of bakery products. To measure the firmness, crunchiness or staling properties of bakery products, we use a texture analyzer. Using a method called texture profile analysis, a probe enters the breadcrumb twice, and results for hardness, springiness and chewiness are calculated. This is very helpful when you want to assess how different new ingredients affect the texture or staling properties of a product. A final parameter that's very important is the structure of the product, or how it looks. To take a deeper image of the inside of a product, we use a C-cell. This measures how airy the product is, or how many gas cells or holes it has, and whether there is an even crumb structure throughout the product. As you have seen, we have a fully equipped bakery and testing labs to help with any product development or reformulation project you may need assistance with. I would be very happy to engage with you and any queries that you may have.